Hi friends, this is Mahesh. Today I am going to explain about linked reports, also called as a drill-through reports, by using of these three tables: dim product category, dim product subcategory, and dim product. For that I am preparing a reports for these three tables. First of all, I am preparing a first report for dim product category. I am renaming it as product category, and I am adding a data source for this report. My data source name is ADW2012, and I am using a shared data source, and click on OK. Here I am adding a data set. My data set name is category. I'm using a embedded data set. Data source is ADW2012. For query, I am already prepared one query for this category data set. Just copy and paste it here. Click on OK. And I'm adding a matrix report. For row groups, I am adding English product category name. Here I am adding a sales data. Here I am doing some modifications to this report, like background and textual colors. I am choosing background for color this one, and textual color is blue. I'm choosing blue, and I'm setting into bold. And for columns also I want to do some modifications. I'm checking background, I'm setting into black, and textual color I'm setting into a white. Okay. Now I'm creating one more report for subcategories. I'm renaming it as subcategory, and I am adding a data source for this subcategory. Data source is ADW2012. I'm using a reference data source. Click on OK. I am adding data set. I'm naming it as subcategory. And here data source ADW. Here I'm modifying this query, dim product subcategory, English product subcategory name. Just copy and paste it to here. Click on OK. And here also I am adding a matrix report. For row groups, I am adding English product subcategory name. Here I am adding sales. Here also I am doing modifications for background color and textual colors. I am choosing background color this one, and textual color blue. I am setting it to a bold. For columns also I want to do modifications of background color. For it, setting it to black, and textual color is white. Okay, I'm creating one more report for products. I'm renaming it as products. For this products report also I'm creating a data source and data set. For data source I'm naming it as ADW2012. I'm using a shared data source one. Click on OK. Here I'm adding a data set for product. My data set name is product. I'm choosing embedded one, and data source is ADW2012. For query, I'm do some modifications to this query. Dim product dot English product name. Okay, I'm copying this query and paste into here. Here also I am adding a matrix report. For row groups I am adding English product name. Here I am adding sales amount, and here also I want to do some modifications of background and textual colors. I want to do some modifications to columns also. And I'm setting textual color into white. Just preview. Okay, right. Now my requirement is I'm opening product category. Now my requirement is when I am selecting the accessories, that time immediately I want to open the subcategories information from subcategory report. When I want to click the subcategories, I want to open products information for these subcategories from this products report. Okay, once again I am explaining. Here I have a product category table report preview. When I am selecting accessories, automatically I want subcategories information from this subcategories report. When I am clicking these subcategories, I want to products information from this product report. Okay, for doing that we want to link these three reports: product category and product subcategory and product. Okay, how to link these three reports? For linking these three reports, right click on English product category name. See here we have a text box properties. Go to action, go to report. Here I am selecting subcategory report. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? The meaning is when I am clicking the products categories, it's automatically I want to filter subcategory. See here we have a hand mark. Now we have a hand mark on this. Here I am clicking bikes. See here it's automatically drills through to subcategories report. I am doing same like this to subcategories. Right click, go to text box properties, go to action, go to report, and here I am clicking products. Click on OK. What is the meaning of this? When I am selecting subcategories, automatically it's drilled through to products report. Now see the preview. I am clicking bike racks, it's automatically drilled through to products report. Okay, I'm going back into main report. See here one problem is there. When see here I am clicking bikes information in subcategories. I want only subcategories information, but it shows all subcategories information. Okay, it not showed only bikes information. It shows all clothing, accessories and bikes information also. Okay, how to resolve this problem? How to resolve this issue? By adding of parameters we can resolve this issue. Okay, how to add parameters. I hope you all are pretty familiar with adding parameters. Now I am adding parameter in subcategory table. Category, my parameter name is category, prompt name is also category. Click on OK. I am going to dataset. Here I am adding a query parameter with where class, where English product category name is equal to @ category. I am giving the connection to English product category name is equal to @ I am giving the connection to this query. I am giving the connection query parameter to report parameter, category to category. Click on OK. Again I am adding one more parameter to products report. Parameter name is product. Parameter name is subcategory. Here also I am adding, my prompt name is also subcategory. Click on OK. Now I am adding query parameter with where class, where English product subcategory name in English product subcategory name is equal to @ subcategory. Going to parameters and add the connection query parameter to report parameter. Click on OK and go to product parameter. Just right click on product category name, go to text properties, go to action. See here we have a one option, add. See here we have a category parameter. This category parameter was created in subcategory table. Okay, and value field is English product category name. Click on OK. And now I am going to subcategory table, right click, go to text box properties, go to action, add. Now I am adding subcategory and value field is English product subcategory. Click on OK. Just go to product category, preview the report. See here we have a accessories, bikes, clothing. When I am clicking bikes, it filter only bikes related subproducts. See here automatically it takes bikes in this parameter and filter only bikes related subcategories. When I am clicking mountain bikes, it's automatically taken the subcategories and it filters related it filters products names related to mountain bikes. Okay, this is the linked reports or drill through reports. Hope you all are enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.